Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to plan a trip on the route map on the Air Cairo application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that you should tap on the menu button down below in the right side corner, and then click on plan trip, and then tap on route map. Enter your enter your departure point first of all, and then your destination should be selected. And now you can check it out on the map. So you should use 2 fingers to check out the destination, to move it on the map. So here you can see this plane icon. If you want to, you can find flights by tapping on the Find Flights button after selecting your departure and destination point, and then the depart and return date too. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.